Keto bread has gained immense popularity among those following a low-carbohydrate diet, offering a comforting substitute for traditional bread. However, baking keto bread presents unique challenges. Often, bakers encounter issues like the bread becoming overly dense, which can detract from its enjoyment. Another frequent problem is the bread collapsing post-baking, ruining its aesthetic appeal and texture. Additionally, achieving the right flavor and texture in keto bread can be difficult, as the absence of gluten and the use of alternative flours affect these qualities. Understanding these common hurdles can greatly improve your keto baking results. Keto bread often becomes too dense, which is primarily due to the absence of gluten and reliance on heavier, low-carb flours such as almond or coconut flour. To combat this, selecting the right ingredients is crucial. Blends of flours or the incorporation of lighter binding agents like psyllium husk can help achieve a less dense texture. Additionally, the technique used in mixing the dough is key. Overmixing can lead to denser bread. Gentle folding of the ingredients can introduce more air into the dough, helping to create a lighter, more palatable texture in the final baked product. A common frustration when baking keto bread is it collapsing after being taken out of the oven. This often results from improper leavening or structural issues in the dough. To prevent this, it's important to use the right leavening agents like baking powder or yeast correctly calibrated for low-carb flours. Ensuring these ingredients are fresh and properly measured can help maintain the bread's structure during and after baking. Additionally, allowing the bread to cool gradually in a stable environment helps preserve its height and structure. Rapid temperature changes can cause the structure to weaken, leading to collapse. Improving the flavor and texture of keto bread is key to making it a delightful alternative to traditional bread. Experimenting with various low-carb flours, such as almond, coconut, or flaxseed meal, can significantly diversify texture and taste. Incorporating a mixture of seeds like sunflower, pumpkin, or chia not only enhances the bread's texture but also adds to its nutritional profile. For flavor enhancement, consider adding keto-friendly sweeteners like erythritol or stevia, which provide a subtle sweetness without the extra carbs. These adjustments can transform keto bread from merely an alternative to a preferred choice for many. In conclusion, perfecting keto bread involves addressing common issues such as density, structure, and flavor. By selecting the right blend of low-carb flours, utilizing proper mixing techniques, and choosing effective leavening agents, one can significantly improve the bread's texture. To enhance flavor, consider adding a variety of seeds and keto-friendly sweeteners. Remember, baking is both an art and a science, and experimenting with these tips can lead to delightful results. Embrace the process of trial and improvement to make your keto bread not just a substitute, but a staple in your diet.